And I went to another video.
Oh, you want to put the garlic bread on?
Go. Okay.
What degrees is the oven? Yeah, that's good.
Yeah, that's good.
That looks good.
Yeah.
Doesn't look burnt, which is good. Okay, next step, I think we should put this in containers. Let that cool down a little bit before we cut it up and put it in containers.
Okay.
Yeah? You want to grab me whatever containers you want me to put this into?
One.
You want me to do one for you, one for your dad? You want a little tiny one? Or two little ones?
Two other ones.
And give your dad this big one?
No, that's my one.
Okay, and then give your dad these two little
Yeah.
ones. Okay. So this lid and this lid, right? And this lid? Nope.
No. Grab a big one.
Yep. Do you want to give your dad most of the sauce, or do you want most of the sauce?
Give my dad the sauce.
Okay.
What?
I already put something
What?
weird. And I'll just give you... Okay, there you go.
Thank you. She's making him a racket.
Okay.
Like the lasagna.
Alright, I'll put this all in the fridge, and then when I go home this afternoon, I'll take this up to your dad. Or when we go to the hairdresser.
Yes.
Yeah?
Because last time when you left.
Did I forget it?
Yes.
Oh. What did I forget?
I can remember.
Well, you gotta remind me. Oh, do you want to leave it out?
Yeah.
Yeah. So you remember, and I'll put yours in the fridge.
Yeah. Let's see what she thinks of the other containers in there.
What's it? What is in there?
Guess. Have a close look. No, that one.
Jelly.
No.
What is that? Is that juice or something?
That's what it coloring.
Food colouring. Why do you have that? Why are you keeping that?
I think maybe we should show her that video. Don't you think?
You're
When we
strange.
come back from the hairdressers.
You're strange. Alright,
But
next step.
next step.
Are you going to have some of the lasagna now, or wait till dinner?
Wait till dinner.
Okay, and you're going to have the sushi
Sushi.
now. Okay.
Ha ha! Surprise!
Oh. No, you said it first.
No, you said it first.
You said it first. I think we said it at the same time. I'm going to try a little bit of lasagna now. Is that okay?
Yeah.
Like a little square.
Yeah.
After I cut it up though.
Yeah.
Okay, I need a knife, Rach. Oh, maybe I should use this knife. Huh?
Yeah,
Would you have
I
another
know
knife?
in here.
Okay, and then I'm going to need...
A board. Oh, here it is.
How am I going to do this?
You need that.
There's the knife. Oh
Just making a racket.
god. Oh shush.
Oh, you. Don't have each trick. You was making a racket.
Oh, who's making a racket now? Huh?
Right. Seven.
Are you using this board?
Yeah.
Okay. So you put this over here so I can cut up the lasagna. There you go. And there you go. Is that all you need?
Do it.
I don't know how to do sushi either.
Yeah.
I've never made sushi.
I've made it before, but not with this type of sushi.
Have you made it with like little ones?
Yeah.
Can you just cut those to be little? Do you think, maybe?
I need a person.
Okay. Oh wait, first I need some containers to put the lasagna in.
Maybe you should take the containers out of the fridge.
But then I've got to wash them.
So,
That's a pain in the butt. I can use these two.
yeah.
Yeah? And then I'll wash the containers after we get back. Alright.
This is the first. Sushi Mickey.
And then I'm going to have a little tiny bit in a bowl. Okay. You don't want a little bit now? Taste it?
No.
No? Okay. Thank you.
Okay. It would make sense if we eat up the rice, right?
Oh yeah, have you got rice?